Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal International School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. Our today's topic is Write in Words, Part 6. It's our last class on Write in Word. It's on half-yearly examination. Your lecture number is 15. My dear students, you have a homework. Your homework number is 9. Okay. Now let's start our class. In the previous classes, that means from part 1 to part 5, we have learned how to write down in word from 1 to 40. Today we will learn inshallah from 41 to 50, the last 10 number in this term. Okay, the first number is 4 and 1, 41. We need to write down this in words. My dear students, the topic is write in words, and your question is write in words of the following numbers. That means this following number should write down in words. The first number is what? The 4 and 1, it makes 41. Dear students, again look, like the previous classes, we know all the spelling of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All the spelling we know already, and we know already the spelling of 40 also. And this first number is 41. This first number is 41. So the spelling of 40 is what? The spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. And this number is not 40, this number is 41. We also know the spelling of 1. So add 1 with 40, O-N-E, 1, okay. Now this is the spelling of 41, 40 and 1, 41. Like this we will write down up to 49. Look, is 4 and 2 makes the number 42. First of all, we should write down 40, and we should add with the 40, we should add 2, the spelling 2, then we will get 42. Okay, it's 42. The spelling of 42 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40. We will add 2, the spelling 2, T-W-O-2. We know also the spelling of 2, and we also know the spelling of 40. So 42 is spelling like this, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, T-W-O-2, 42. Okay, like this. The next number is 43. 4 and 3 makes the number 43. So how to write down 43? First of all, you should write down 40 in spelling, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Then 3, the spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E-E, 3. Okay, after 43 the number comes which is 44. 4 and 4 makes the number 44. Okay, so the spelling of 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40. And 4, the spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R, 4, 44. After 44 we have the number 4 and 5, 45. Okay, the spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, and the spelling of 5 is 5, F-I-V-E, 5, 45. This is the spelling of 45. Our next number of 45 is 46. In the right side I have write down 46. 4 and 6 makes the number 46. Dear students, the spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, then 6, S-I-X, 6. The spelling 6 is already known. We have known before the spelling of 7 also. The next number is 47. The spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, then 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N, 7. So easy, okay. Now the spelling, we should write down the spelling of 48. The number 4 and 8 makes the number 48. 48, the spelling of 48 is 40. First of all, you should write down 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, F-O-R-T-Y, 40, then 8, E-I-G-H-T, 8. Our next number is 49. 4 and 9 makes the number 49. The spelling of 49 is F-O-R-T-Y, 40, then the spelling 9, N-I-N-E, 9, okay. It makes the number in word 49. The last number, my dear students, this last number is 5 and 0. It makes 50. This is to memorize today only, okay. 50, the spelling of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. Look, my dear students, in the previous class we already learned what is the spelling of 40, and in the first class of written word we have learned what is the spelling of 1 to 9. From 1 to 9 we have already learned in the first class, and 40 spelling we have learned in the previous class. And like this, like the help of that words, we can write down from 41 to 49 easily, and only one need to memorize, which is 50. The spelling of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y, 50. I hope you have understood how to write down in words. Dear students, you have the homework and your homework number is 9. Please mention the homework number in your HW copy in the left up corner. Okay, then you should write in words the topic. Okay, after that you should write down this 10 number in words. Please do the HW very carefully and submit your HW every Saturday from 9 AM to 3 PM. See you again inshallah in the next class with a new topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.